Welcome to Payhip. Payhip is a simple platform that allows you to sell your ebook directly to your customers. Here on Payhip, you are able to sign up, upload your ebook, set a price, and begin selling your ebook on your website, your blog, your social media accounts, or anywhere else on the internet that you have an audience. Payhip also allows you to take payments directly from your buyers. It helps you promote your ebook with discount codes and coupons for your customers, and your customers can download their purchase on any device. This includes desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. To sign up and create your account on Payhip is fairly easy. All you need is your email and a password to create your account. You can do so on the home page here that we see the sign up form, or you can click on the sign up button at the top right, and that's going to redirect you to another form where you can sign up with your email password, which is what I'm going to do right now. And it is also important to note that you will not be receiving any type of verification email from Payhip. So if you are worried that you didn't receive an email, don't worry about that. Now, when we first get signed up on the home page, you are going to see that we are prompted to go ahead and add our first ebook right here in the middle of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see on this page to add our new ebook, we have all kinds of different fields and information that we need to fill out to go ahead and add our first product in just a matter of minutes, which I'm going to cover all of this in a different tutorial video. Now, if I quickly add a test ebook really quick and I jump back to the dashboard, you will see on the dashboard that you will start to see a list of all the different products that you have created inside of your Payhip account with a quick overview of all the different stats for that particular product. Along the top here, we have another tab, the Analytics tab, where if we click on that, this is where you can take a quick overview of the sales that you have made for your product, along with the different visitors and sources of those visitors that have viewed your products listed on Payhip. We also have a Marketing tab where you can set up coupons for your products, social discounts for your products, and handle any affiliates that may have signed up to promote your product. Next up is the Customers tab, where you can see a list of all your different customers and the orders they have placed, where you can set up email updates, and where you can generate a sales report for any of the previous months. We also have a Notification tab at the top here, where you can be notified of anything happening with your account, such as an order to your product. If we click on the account drop-down menu here, we have a settings option where you can edit the different settings inside of your account, a design editor, and the option to log out of your account. And if we jump into the design editor really quick, this is going to be where you can customize the way that your checkout page looks for when a visitor goes to purchase your product. This here is what they are going to see. And last but not least, if I jump over to my actual checkout page here, this is what it currently looks like. And when your customer clicks on Buy Now, this is going to be what the checkout page looks like here. They can see the price, and then they have the option to enter their address and the rest of their information. And that there is a quick overview of how Payhip works. If you have any questions or you are looking for more advanced tutorials with different parts of Payhip, please take a look at the rest of the tutorial videos that we have created for you.